If you are looking for the best EQ to take your mixing and mastering to the next level, then you can go for any of these plugins. In my opinion, these are the best EQ plugins that every producer needs. Let's check them right after the intro. Alright guys, the name is Gosa once again, and still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment, I subscribed. Alright, so we are in FL Studio now, and we're gonna speed up this process. What I'm gonna do is to route the vocals to mixer track 1. Alright, go to the mixer track 1. Alright, the very first EQ on the list is the default fruity parametric EQ2 from FL Studio. If you know how to use EQ very well, you can actually use this to EQ your vocals or any instrument. It's super simple. If you are new to EQ, just watch the video that will pop up on the screen, or go to my channel and watch my previous videos, and I will take you through how to EQ vocals like the pros. It's super simple. Now, this fruity parametric EQ is amazing. Alright, it gives you the bands that you can actually use to sweep or clean your vocals. You can choose the high pass, make it more aggressive, just control it from this knob over here. Alright, whatever that you don't like, you can just cut it off. You can do a lot of surgical EQs, boost any frequency that you like. Guys, this is crazy. This is super crazy. I really love this. Alright, and you can even browse through presets. If you are missing cake, you want old telephone, guys, listen. So this is the very first EQ on my list, and it is fruity parametric EQ2. The next EQ on the list is the AutoTune Vocal EQ from Antes. Guys, this is also crazy. You can do whatever you want. I mean, clean up your vocal, boost any frequency that you want, or you can actually browse through these presets. Guys, look at all these. Alright, super simple. Low mill, clean up. Alright, it's super crazy. This is crazy. You can browse through the instruments. I mean, bass instrument, boost the bass enhance. Guys, if you are mixing instrument, you can browse through all these presets, guys, and it comes with different knobs that you can actually play around. If you want to know much about this, then subscribe to the channel, because I will come back and take you through step by step. Moving on to the next EQ on the list, guys. The next EQ on the list is the Fabfilter Pro Q3. Fabfilter Pro Q3 is crazy, guys. This is one of the best EQ plugin that you can actually get in the music industry. It is common. Alright, you can just browse through here and make your band more aggressive. Alright, super crazy. All you need to do is to create a band and play with this knob. Alright, do surgical EQ, whatever that you don't like. Guys, I really love this. Boost any frequency, give it more air. If you don't know how to use EQ, bro, watch my video that will pop up here, or go to my channel and watch how to EQ vocals. You can also browse through presets like this, guys, vocals, and it will just give you this preset straight up. The next EQ on my list is the isotope equalizer. You can actually click here, preset, and browse through any of these presets. Guys, look at all this. Super crazy. a lot of presets, or you can actually EQ your vocals. All right, listen to this preset. Crazy guys. The next EQ on my list, guys, is the Neutron 5 equalizer. Alright, so Neutron 5 equalizer is also one of the best EQ that you can actually use in the music industry to take your mixing to the next level. You can create any knob here and start doing whatever that you like. Guys, it's easy to use. I really love this. Look at all this. Boost the frequency that you want. Alright, if you don't know how to use EQ, I've said it, go and watch my videos and I will take you through step by step. Crazy you can also browse through presets, guys. Add brightness, analog warmth, basic female vocals. So if you are also mixing instrument case, there are a lot of stuff that you can actually get from this particular Neutron 5 EQ. Now that you know the best EQs, watch the next video to know how to EQ your vocals like the pros. If this video helps you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Let me know where you are watching me from. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.